Thanks for showing up. So today I am going to be unboxing Deck of Scarlet. This is a monthly subscription of $29.95. It is plus tax, so I paid $32.05. And this is actually a makeup palette. It's every month, but every month it switches between a makeup palette and lipsticks, I guess. So you definitely get a good mix of different items. If you're not interested in subscribing to them, you can actually just get the makeup palette for $44.95 as a one-time purchase. So this particular palette is called Destination Desert.
That's what we have ahead of us.
The really interesting thing about this subscription is that they actually collaborate with a YouTuber every month.
But gotta get content somehow.
Every makeup palette that you get is unique and a limited edition. So let's open it up and see what's included. Opening up the box, first thing you get is a little card introducing you to Deck of Scarlet monthly, and it tells you how their new membership works. This month's collaboration is Stephanie Lange. You get a little note from her, basically tells you about her and why this particular palette is her recommendation. And it says, "I'm in." Okay, and that's what it looks like. So it says a Deck of Scarlet right there. Hello, another rose gold item. So that is what the palette looks like. It looks beautiful. So you get a mirror included, and this is all eyeshadows that are included. So it is a set of 10 eyeshadows. There's a mirror included. I'm just gonna block off the mirrors. Those are the shadows that come included. And it's quite a spread. It looks like some good colors, so I am excited. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you also get a brush included, and it's basically a Deck of Scarlet brush. And right there it says Deck of Scarlet. Cool. So the first color is called Sands. Ooh, that's a nice color. It's kind of pearlescent pink. Sunrise. Sunrise is not really showing up. Wildflower. Wildflower is kind of there. And this is Nocturnal. Yeah, Nocturnal is there. And this is Canyon. Yeah, Canyon is a non-starter. She's not even on the playground. Alright, so that's the top row. That's a weird top row. Sahara. Oh, that's a nice one. And it's like a deeper version of Sands. That's so weird. Okay, and this is Scorched. Oh, Scorched is a nice like burnt orange. We got Nomad. Nomad's cool. This is Mirage. Ooh, I like that. Mirage is very cute. Very sheer, but really cute. And the last color is Cactus. It's a deep green. Interesting. So that's the bottom row. And this is the top row. It looks like there are like 3 colors on the top row. So I started out with a Wildflower. So I went in with Nocturnal, and I honestly have to say how surprised I am at how not dark this purple is. Because when I put it on my hand, it showed up great. I put it on my eyes and it's like I keep applying and applying, and I'm assuming it's going to be really dark. And it is purple, but it's just not dark enough, or as dark as I expected. So I'm just gonna keep going, and we shall see. I guess the colors are just really muted. For $30, I thought this would be like the palette. And then I went in with Mirage. So this is the final look. It's very muted. And I picked the brightest colors that I could find for my skin tone. To say I'm disappointed is an understatement. The colors I use should be like bright and bold and just like pow. And they're like, eh. For $30, I am like super disappointed. And this was 10 different pans. Deco Scarlet is a no for me, sadly. And 2 of the colors were a non-starter. Like, look at this hand. This one right here and this one, non-starter. You can't even see this one. So as you can see behind me, I still have a lot more boxes to open up. So if you like what you've seen so far, hit that like button. And if you want to see more of me, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Cheers.